The next problem statement is to understand the usage of Calloc. Calloc is nothing but contiguous memory allocation function. So earlier in the malloc, only one block will be allocated at runtime. Calloc allocates multiple blocks at runtime. So here the difference in the representation of their syntax, ptr equal to cast type Calloc followed by n comma byte size. So you are going to give n comma byte size. Here I have initialized a string, that is char star str. Memory is allocated dynamically, and once the memory is allocated, only then it will be going for the else part. If not, it is going to execute only the if part. Let me just comment this without giving any size. Let me execute this code and show you how you are going to get this error message. So could not allocate memory. If memory is not allocated, then you are not going to perform any of the operations. So here let me allocate the memory and uncomment this. Str equal to Calloc of 20 comma size of char, which means 20 bytes of memory will be allocated. That is, the multiple blocks will be allocated for this string variable. Now anyhow string is not equal to null, then it goes for else part. In the else part I wrote strcpy. This is a string copy function which is used to copy the source string into destination string, and in str we will be having virtue, and strcat. This is used for concatenating the two strings. The source content learn will be concatenated to the destination, that is str, and we will be getting the output as Virtulearn. The content after dynamically allocated multiple blocks is. So let us see the output. Let me execute this code and let us see whether we are getting Virtulearn or not. The content after dynamically allocated multiple blocks is Virtulearn. Virtulearn. So this is how we can use Calloc dynamic memory allocation function. The next problem statement related to Calloc. The Calloc dynamic memory allocation function allocates multiple blocks at runtime, whereas malloc will allocate only one block at a time. So this is one of the example where we can perform addition of the individual elements which are stored in the array. Here I am initializing some identifiers int n, I, ptr, sum. Here n and I, sum are normal variables, whereas star ptr is a pointer variable. Here enter the number of elements. So I am reading the number of elements, storing it in n. Ptr is equal to int star. This is typecast. Calloc is a contiguous memory allocation function, n comma size of int. So this memory is allocated using Calloc at runtime. If ptr equal to 0, then we are going to give the message as sorry, unable to allocate memory, and it will come out of the program. Else enter the elements in the array. So we are reading the elements in the array and printing performing the logic for addition of the array elements. Next we are printing the elements and freeing the pointer, free ptr. Let me execute the code. Enter the number of elements as 3 elements. Let me give the 3 elements as 11, 22 and 33. So the sum is 66. So this is how we can use the Calloc dynamic memory allocation function to allocate the memory at runtime.